Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hansen, local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving services give you plenty of options, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Relocating is a stressful thing. Many people get overwhelmed with all the tasks that must be done. When you hire us to do the moving for you, it takes something rather big off your list. Let us make your move easier with our long-distance moving services. With the right Idaho moving company, you can save time and energy on your local move. Do you really want to spend your time packing up, lifting heavy furniture, and loading up the truck? The right movers will make it so much easier to get you to where you need to go faster. 3 men and a truck makes the moving process simple. We know how to streamline the entire moving day. Our team will not only save you time, but also save you energy, making it easier to get settled in. We can handle even a large move in just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hansen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.